All right, prime time. Here is the video to find the winner of break number 19, which is another one of the 1986 Fleer NBA cards. So we'll check the time, June 15th at 4:23 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we have June 15th at 4:23 p.m. There's the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll. I chopped off Adam's number 1 there. There we go. Whoever is on top after our final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Adam Henwood, spot number 7. That whatever is in the box for break number 19 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 15th at 4:24 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.